Howdy guys, in today's mini series with the CAD basics, we're going to be looking at how to save your CAD files. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at opening CAD files. In today's video, we're going to be looking at saving them. So now you might want to do this if you've made some changes to your file and perhaps you are not finished, or should I say, even if you're not finished, you might want to save it. It's always a good habit. Don't just save when you finally finish. Otherwise, if anything happens, like with our load sheddings and so forth, then you might have to redo all your work. So get in the habit of saving often, and yeah, you will save yourself a lot of time. Now what you can do on our, like let's say you've got your design, and the saving is pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, shortcut keys do not work. So if we go on top here to file, you can see on the save CAD there's no shortcut key or hotkey that we can use. I would like to see this in a future update. Maybe some universal hotkeys. But in any case, so that is one way we can do it. We can go to File, Save CAD. Make sure you go Save CAD and not just okay, I don't have the option now for normal saving, but you want to make sure you do the CAD file. Or what you do is you go in your secondary toolbar here, and we go to this third icon, which looks like an old stiffy, and then you click that. So the Save CAD. Now when we finally click that, we're going to get this little navigation box. So you want to locate where you want to save your CAD. I was working on this open contour, but you can obviously name it whatever you want. So here's the name. You've got some bookmarks here on the left if you want to save it somewhere else. So then you'll type in your name. I'm just going to select there so it does the name for me. We don't need that extension, but if you can just leave that on. You don't have to remove it like I did. The reason why I did it is perhaps you want to go DXF. Okay, they've only got DXF file, they don't have the DWG, so that's good to know. But yeah, so otherwise you just select your file, open contours, and then you say save file. If you already have a file saved, it's going to ask you this. Open contours, okay, this is my file name, and it says already exists. Do you want to replace it? So then I'll just say yes. But yeah, otherwise that is it on saving. It's rather straightforward. Obviously this is only really relevant if you have something on your CAD. Otherwise there's no need to really save. But like I said, get in the habit of saving often. Unfortunately you will have to click, so keep that in mind. Control S will not work if you use the shortcut keys. But yeah, otherwise that is it on saving your CAD. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.